If you want more high value cases coming into your practice, like implants, Invisalign, cosmetic work, there's one thing that has to be a part of your strategy. You have to be educating patients before they even call you, because these patients behave very differently. When someone is coming in for a cleaning or a basic appointment, they're not going to do a ton of research. They'll Google a dentist, pick one, and they'll book. But when someone is about to spend $5,000, $10,000, $20,000 on their smile, they slow down. They start comparing you to other dentists in your area. They go through your website, they read your Google reviews, and they're trying to figure one thing out. Who do I trust with this? And here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. By the time that patient even lands on your website, they've already been searching for answers. They've Googled things like, how do dental implants work? How do they last? Are they painful? What's recovery like? How much is this going to cost me? These are real questions patients are asking every single day. So when they land on your website and those answers aren't there, there's a gap. And most of the time, they go somewhere else to fill that gap. Educational content is so powerful because when a patient finds you and you're the one clearly explaining that procedure, walking them through what to expect, answering the exact concerns they already have, you're not just another dentist anymore. You're the one who made it make sense. You're the one who made them feel comfortable, and that changes everything. We see this play out time and time again. Two practices can offer the exact same services, same pricing, same area, same level of experience, but the one that's taken the time to explain, to show up, to educate, wins the case. Not because they're cheaper, but because the patient feels more confident choosing them. That's why we focus really heavily on building out strong service pages, adding frequently asked questions, collecting testimonial videos from real patients, and creating simple educational videos, because when you combine all of that, you're not just marketing, you are removing doubt.
A dental implant, in its simplest form, replaces the root structure of a missing tooth. Okay. Technically speaking, what it is, it's a titanium fixture.
That right there is exactly what we're talking about. It doesn't need to be overproduced. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear, honest, and helpful. Because to a patient who's been researching for hours, that kind of video goes a really long way. Now, I know what a lot of dentists think when we bring this up. This sounds great, but I don't have time for this. Or I don't want to sit there filming all day. And honestly, that is not at all what this is. You are not creating a commercial. You are just explaining what you already explain every single day in your chair. What we do is we keep it really, really simple. We book a short virtual session with you. You sit down, lab coat on, clean background. We ask you the questions, the same one patients are already asking you. If you want to prepare ahead of time, you can. A lot of our dentists even use AI to help structure their answers so they stay on track. Then you just answer naturally. If your goal is to bring in higher value patients, you cannot just rely on your ads or your website. That gets you visibility. But what actually drives someone to choose you is whether they feel like they know you and they trust you before they even call you. And educational content is what builds that bridge. So if you've been putting this off or overthinking it, don't, because the practices that consistently win higher value cases are the ones that make it easy for patients to choose them.